Hello everyone, I'm Philippa Charlton, Chief Marketing Officer at Lloyd's Register and the proud sponsor of our Unity Colleague Network. Unity supports our LGBT+ community and allies at LR. Every year, we proudly celebrate Pride Month, recognising the valuable contributions of our LGBT+ community. From flying pride flags outside our London office to numerous other celebrations worldwide, it's fantastic to see our offices come together in support and unity. Our Unity Network aims to foster a culture where everyone, regardless of sexual orientation or gender identity, feels valued and empowered to be their authentic self at work. Allyship also plays a crucial role. Our allies support our LGBT+ colleagues, helping to create a welcoming and inclusive environment. We are committed to promoting diversity, equity and inclusion during Pride Month and every month. As we work towards a more inclusive world, LR strives to be a beacon of diversity and inclusion in our industry. Thank you for joining us in celebrating Pride Month 2024.